Testing, 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 testing. Testing, testing,
From
testing,
unbelievable
testing, testing.
profits.
Mic check. 1, 2, 1, 2.
From unbelievable profits.
Alright, we're gonna turn it down just a tad bit. Testing, 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 testing.
Losing access to your account and still
testing, 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 testing.
losing access to your account and still.
Damn, I'm still out. Right there. I think we good. It should be straight. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another reaction video. Man, today we're finna be checking out when traders make 0.0001% trades. Now, as y'all know, last two reactions we did, we've been watching folks lose lately, and I told y'all we can't keep watching people lose. We got to go into 2026. We know what's a positivity, at least a little bit, bro. Just even a little bit, bro. So, of course, today is New Year's Eve. We got about an hour and a half before my New Year's start, or the New Year start for me. So if y'all hear any like firecrackers or loud noises, I don't know what it might be. If y'all hear any loud noise, bro, you know what I'm saying? That's probably what it is. So yeah, dang, hopefully I ain't make that too loud for y'all. But yeah, we finna go ahead and jump into this. We finna react to this video. I'm thinking it's meaning like real good trades, cause 0.001%. I mean, it's like, you know how they say like 99% traders lose or unprofitable. So I'm thinking it's like real good trade. Hopefully, they ain't like no fake trades or nothing like that, bro. But yeah, we finna react to this so we can get a little bit positivity leading us into 2026. So, but before I go and jump to, y'all know what to do. Go ahead, hit that like, share, and comment down below any type of videos, reactions, whatever y'all want me to do on here, dealing with trading at least on this channel. Um, let me know. Let me know. Also, I want to, before I get started, I do want to say thank y'all for all that support on the last video, the last reaction, bro. We literally just uploaded that mud, but we only got like 18, 19 subscribers, but we had 200 views, almost 200 views, like 197, I think, when I looked. 200 views in like a day and a half. Oh, we cooking up, bro. We cooking up. Appreciate that. Y'all be sure to like and keep sharing the videos, though. Because, hey, it just made me feel good. Made me want to keep doing reactions, bro. Especially with the new webcam. So let's go ahead and get into it, though. We're going to go ahead and watch this. And this is by Jay Schrader. I don't know, bro. Y'all see the name right there, bro. Y'all see the name. Come on, let's get started, though.
Still walking away with $160,000.
Hold up. I ain't even go to the beginning. Shoot.
From unbelievable profits.
And we ain't gonna pause as much as we did last time.
To losing access to your account and still walking away with $160,000.
I literally can't exit all now. Dude, I'm up 130,000 and I can't even get out of the fucking trade.
These are one
Them boy up
that
130.
can never be replicated again. Starting with day trader Patrick Weiland, who is locked out of his own trade on Tradevate. There are hundreds of thousands of dollars hanging in the balance, and he has no control over his trade.
Oh, I'm back in. I'm back in, boys. Did I close all? I can't even exit all. I can't.
He on Tradevate. Yeah, I know. I know about that Tradevate now. We started Tradevate this week.
Scenario. I literally can't exit all now. Dude, I'm up 130,000 and I can't even get out of the fucking trade. Oh my god. Oh, I just get this error. You've reached the API request limit. Please reach out to support for assistance.
This carries on for half a minute until fate finally blesses him for his troubles.
All right, I'm back in, boys. We're back in. I'm putting my stops right here at 35. So I'm gonna see if I can take some more.
And he starts to convert this tragedy into opportunity, letting the stock drop some more.
Trade of my life right now. Biggest trade of my
life. That's
life.
crazy. 130K.
Being able to build an app with your name on it. Just by thinking about it.
Bro, we just started him. We got an ad already. But 130K, bro. That's crazy. But he do got 40 contract.
In the end, he walks away with $150,000. And although Patrick was thrown into a situation he had no control over in this trade, this next trader manages to keep things under control.
Hold up.
Here we follow Q Banks, a millionaire day trader.
I ain't saying nothing, bro.
Although this trade is wild even for him.
But I've been hearing some things about him, bro. We ain't saying that. They ain't gonna say that. But I've been hearing some things about Q Banks, bro. No, we gotta verify these profits. I'm just playing.
Hold up, wait.
I don't know who fake what, y'all. So let me just quit playing. Dang, down 70K.
Like a seasoned day trader, he remains unfazed despite losing $160,000.
160. See, that's what I'm saying, folks.
I don't like it.
How the heck your balance 200,000? You let it go to 160? Ain't no way. And you just chilling, bro. Ain't no way, bro. I ain't saying nobody faking nothing, but they might be getting spotted money or something, bro. Cause who finna really sit there?
As the man pointed out, the support line is holding pretty strong, but so is the resistance. Something has to give.
Hey, coming back for him though. That boy coming back.
Oh shit! That one happy cat made me jump.
That boy coming back.
That was kind of sick.
That has to maintain.
Where he got in there? That's what I want to know.
I deserve this shit.
Deserve it or not, he has finally broken even. Then this happens.
This is gonna be the 7-figure month.
Broke the 300 mark.
Ooh.
I'm at now 382,931.
Ain't no way he
just keep on
who
going
he
up.
on?
7 figures
The
doesn't
Forex?
feel like an overstatement at this point.
Ready?
What the heck he on? Oh my freaking!
And equity is 725. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's do it. Okay. 1.
Boy, I know that man made $500,000, bro.
One quick trading real quick. Confirm.
Ain't no way.
One position close. Equity $724,000.
And he closes at $525,000 in profits. At one point, he was down
Bruh,
$100,000.
he was literally
So this
finna
next
blow his
trader
account
was not a very big concern
and
because his
flipped it.
capital was only $100. But still, he had a goal to turn that $100 into $1 million.
I'm gonna try and turn these.
I ain't gonna say nothing, y'all. You know what? Hold up, y'all. I know I say I ain't gonna pause, bro. Forgive me, bro. Forgive me, bro. Alex. I ain't trying to bash nobody now. Cause I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. When I first got into first into trading, but early on in my trading experience, this is where I got. It was like one of the first series I followed. Was this dang turn 100 to I think it was $1 million challenge he had. When I tell y'all, I was waiting on every video to drop, bro. Every video drop. And then slowly towards the end, like once he got to like past the 100K, some stuff just wasn't adding up to me. I'm like, hold up. That man don't never catch no trades. Like, we don't never see the beginning of the trade. Somehow he just be like, oh yeah, I'm already in it. I ain't gonna say, bro, but I know y'all had to see the little exposure videos they had on my boy.
I can honestly risk on the account.
But I mess with his content though. He definitely good at making content. I give him that.
My prediction is that now.
But I don't know. We gotta fetch check these trades too, bro.
First position, obviously, you have to risk 100% of the account to even get out of that hole. And I remember.
But he showed good at content. I give him that though. He real good at content.
Starting off bad, and I think we were.
And I don't think he can't trade. It's just.
So then it's either going
the
to
trade he's saying, I don't know, bro. I don't know if he
can give me the baddest that I need to then take on the
I don't
next
know if we
week
seen
and
the
follow
real
the
thing
goal that
with
I
it.
have for every single week.
So I got it 1 minute ago, positive $15. Now we are about to hit margin call on the account. 1 minute later, but trading is so fire, people.
I still mess one though.
I wasn't gonna panic. I
can't trust
worst
the
case that can happen. I just know $100 and I start
everything I see online. That's all.
Take profit. We have
ain't nothing against him.
For the week actively right now.
But I definitely, when I tell y'all I was watching every single when that mug was dropping, boy, I'm on that mug.
Alex ends the week with
I'm telling folks, boy, he turning 100 to $1 million, bro. All we gotta do is follow what he doing.
So if I close at this point, I'm ahead by 6 weeks
in the mud,
cutting the end goal of trading the 100.
All we gotta do is say and forget.
2 months. At this point, I'm fucking hyped. Yo, the goal for the week was 6 grand. We are at $15,000. So if we were to close at 6 grand this week,
That jump,
the goal
I
for
say
next week
even
was
if
to turn 6
even
to
if it
12.
ain't real profit,
So we just
he definitely
did this
inspired a
week
lot of people,
and
bro.
next
He
week,
inspired a
bro.
lot of people.
This is going faster than
I give
anyone
him
can
that.
imagine, but as his balance grows, the risk does too.
We have officially taken
He inspired a lot of
most the
people, bro.
January trade of the whole entire.
Alright, I'm gonna be
Travis
quiet,
trade.
cause y'all
So
probably like
show
this
you
man
guys
talking
screen,
through the whole
market
video.
update, and we are
We be quiet,
negative about $500 because we literally just entered the trade as the candlestick just closed right now. So,
Oh, that doesn't seem very good.
not good. I mean, I called it. You know, I don't really care. I'm glad that I ended up getting that out of my system.
There we have it, the first major loss of the series. And by day 20, the $12,000 balance has dropped even further. This challenge has had its fair share of mess-ups, but this next one is probably the biggest of them all.
I actually ended up having the biggest loss. I don't even know why I'm laughing at this point.
That's
Which really account for is the 44,000. Bro, this is why we can't fuck around talking shit.
And my boy had a Kodak
But in the
feature in
end,
this
everything
series.
took another unexpected turn.
Kodak Black feature.
And you know what? I think my celebration was a little extra. I can't even lie. But how would you feel after you turned the $100 into $1 million? I think you'll be excited.
He ended up getting away with a 990,900% return.
I don't know about this video, bro.
What if you could throw out all your charts, click erase on all those colorful
I don't know about this
never
video,
worry about
bro.
a trend, financial state.
We need to put
And
allegedly
although
on
this
this
next
video.
trader isn't banking $1 million in profits, he's doing
Allegedly.
something that's equally impressive, earning a bucket load of money within 5 minutes. Patrick is holding a short position, betting on a drop to the 600s. The market's next turn could mean everything.
All right, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Dang,
Come
bet on to go
baby,
to
bring it on.
600.
Oh, buddy.
And it hits the 600s instantly, followed by yet another unexpected move.
I mean, it was
might go
already
fairly
in the
short to
600s. What
break
are you
below
talking about?
620 here just to get another quick move down.
The share has already fallen to the 600s and 20s. Just a moment ago, Patrick was targeting the 600s and 50s. But this is not all the money Patrick's going to make.
A little update here, showed you guys this live trade. I was thinking it might take a little bit longer. I jumped on the computer, turned the lights on, I saw this move, and I'm like, oh, it's gonna be good. So if we break the downside, it's like, you know, this thing is going downtown. And this is also the 15-minute range break as well. So there's your first 15-minute candle right there, 930 candle. We tested the low right there at the 78s, and then bam.
And over those 5 minutes,
Oh,
he has
are
managed
y'all
to bag
orb traders?
$20,000. Patrick's $20,000 win highlights his skill, but the next trade shows
I
that
heard
in the
about
market,
Patrick.
skill is not the only thing.
Hold
Sometimes
up.
luck is just as important. Brad Trades has invested $5,000 in the
Brad
Forex
Trade,
market,
that's his
taking
name?
a short position. The market is going in his favor.
What that boy name used to be? Dang, what his name was? It was before. He was not Brad Trades when I first heard him. What the heck his name used to be? Somebody, if you know, comment down below what his name was. And he used to wear glasses.
And the prices are dropping.
He might
But
got
this farmer's
contest
day
now.
is about to get even better.
Yeah. But now that price is
I ain't know
going
he
down,
live
this is
traded,
where
though.
it makes
I thought he
much
just
more
kinda
sense for me to actually
Made videos to tell you
protect
how
my
to trade. I
downside
ain't know he
by
actually did
minimizing the
trade.
stop loss and moving it to perhaps above
I mean,
this
actual live
position.
trade.
Reasonable, making the stop loss tighter to minimize unnecessary risk in a profitable position.
So right now NFP is gonna come out in 3, 2, 1.
Heck,
Boom! Let's fucking go. This is what you should not do, guys. This is what you should not do. Honestly, we kind of.
Hey, he really caught that mud, didn't
Now,
he?
the reason why I don't trade news is because
I don't know.
news is goddamn unpredictable. So usually before news, what I do is that I move the stop loss of my existing position and make it super duper tight, right? So in this case, my stop loss was originally.
Man, I don't know
lower,
about
so I
this
moved
video.
it
Y'all,
to like
what
700
y'all
around
feeling
The
about
market
this
is
video,
reacting
bro?
to some sort of news, which is strengthening.
What
his
y'all
position,
feeling,
although
bro?
trading
Tell
news is
me,
always
bro.
dangerous.
Y'all think
It's
these
still
folks
going
eating it
down.
for
What
real?
the f- it's
Real
still
real
going
money?
down. Holy shit, this is a big trade.
I
We
might
missed
get that
5K
Patrick
on this
dude,
trade,
cause
by the way,
I
guys.
ain't
We
never
missed
watched
5K
him
on this
trade.
And Jesus Christ.
But
man,
everybody
just
else,
look at the
we got a
liquidity.
fat
Jesus
check. I'm
Christ.
At this
sorry.
point, he makes the decision to close
I'm
half of
sorry,
his position
bro.
before shortly closing the other half.
We need-
Hear the
we
reason
need,
for the man himself.
I made a shit ton of money.
We need
right? And I
trade
did it very, very
statements or
fast. So,
something.
yeah, let's just close the remaining positions. I can't do this shit, man. I'm not built for trading the news, guys. if I make some money, I want to get the fuck out of there.
He turned 5,000 into 45,000 with a stroke of luck from the news to seal the deal. But the next relied on pure strategy from start to finish. This trader has identified a position in the market and has been waiting for it to reappear for a long time.
This Javier, whatever his name is.
It definitely won't stay that way.
Now we're down 1,200, which is not good. I kind of want heavy on the
now they, you know, something. I give him a benefit of that. Because I think he actually be trading
for a long time. I'm really confident in this zone. So we'll
I think
see what happens.
Like live.
If my drawing tool would
but
if we can break this trend line right here, then I'd
people saying he ain't using real money though. I don't know, bro.
Green,
but I think he really be trading though. So I get him benefit that.
Right now.
The trend line has been broken.
But I don't know
if
though.
The streamer is right, his idea will give great returns.
We can kind of see that since we kind of bounced off this zone, which is the zone that I took the sell off of, and I hopped in the sell right here. Ever since
he caught and sell though, and he just did on the trend line break.
Been kind of respecting a trend.
Damn, my boy been going. Boy, he just caught that straight off a trend line break.
But other than that, we just
and he on YM,
which I mean, respecting this line, which is super dope. So I'm confident in the trade, still holding it. We're up 12,000 right now.
Hey, he slick.
It has already risen by a couple thousand.
Boy, slick 5. All he had to do was draw one trend line, catch the break, and get in.
Now looking absolutely gorgeous.
I better put some spec on that boy, man.
Boom. Order filled. We're taking that $21,200 realized profit. Absolutely beautiful short on YM, which is US 30.
And with that, he ends up banking $21,200 in total profits.
We'll
just like his strategy led to profits here, in this next trade, his willingness to stick to his plan helps him take the win once again. Here, Josiah is observing the freshly opened market, drawing up plans to enter and maximize his returns. He explains how he thinks the market will rise if only it breaks past the previous zone of resistance. In other terms, he is going to use a break and retest strategy.
And I'm sorry, if I don't know these folks' names, don't blame me, bro. I watched a lot of these people. I ain't like watch their videos faithfully, but I seen video here and there of them when I first started trading. And then once I actually started getting, you know, my own strategy, the GFT strategy, if y'all want to know. I stopped watching all YouTubers. I just stopped watching people live trade for real.
Boom, there we go. That's what I like to see. That is what I like to see. Let's wait for it to take all the sellers out.
So I might not know everybody's names.
Wick down.
And stuff.
Then give me a close.
Only live train I really watch now is
See
just
how
like
the share breaks past the resistance. He will retest
like
the share
competition.
and hop in the trade afterwards.
5, 4, 3.
Or is it if it's like very newcoming traders? I like watching newcoming traders. But folks that been on YouTube, I don't even watch.
And the trade has officially begun.
We're up 8,000 now. 7,000.
That boy caught on loans.
8,000. Y'all see how fast these numbers move? Like just thousands of dollars just moving.
I don't know.
10 bands. We're up 10.
I wouldn't even. Oh no, he got in where I would have probably got in. I probably would have got in here. Style all down here.
14 bands. Like matter of just thousands of dollars within like a short amount of time. We're up 14, 15.
Oh, that boy going crazy.
We're taking 15.
What he trading on? Is that
4 minutes, man.
A rhythmic account? What that is?
The GOAT. Stop playing.
And he gets to walk away with 15,000 in pure
I
profit.
give him that.
That
boy, that look like a real trade.
Clip, Josiah
I can't hate.
His calculating and strategic side. The next one shows that sometimes even professionals leave their trades up to fate. He is trying to convert 5K into 10K in 5 hours. It's gonna be a tough 5 hours.
Let's see how this plays out. When it hits the 1-to-1, I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even.
He going short.
Just I want to protect my capital.
Short, right? I would have went short. I would have went short.
The stop loss has been placed just above the last high, and he's going for a 1 to 2
RR
ratio for the first
That ain't no bad
trade.
Yeah, I would have went short too, right here. Soon we turn back red, right, or white with his candles.
The profit increases to 2,000, but he still has 8,000 left to make.
I get that to him.
All right, it took me out. I mean, we got a profit of $475, so I can't be mad here.
He get another white one, go again.
2,000. His balance is now 5,500. But
it made a high.
A little push out of here.
So last year, just 3 of the biggest prop firms.
FTMO. Who's that?
It's mostly from traders who failed.
I be getting emails from FTMO. I must have signed up somehow. I don't know how. I don't even know nothing about them. But I guess I signed up
1,400.
one time before.
Love you. No way.
Ooh.
No way. No way. A beautiful volume spike to the
nice job.
We made 2,700 on that trade. Our account is now sitting at $8,146.
That was a nice drop.
I need one more trade.
That's dangerous trade though. I ain't like, cause it broke that. It did make that lower low.
Crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
After that,
but I would have been scalp. I would have gotten something light.
To make.
Need 500 more. I ain't gonna lie. I don't scalp anymore because y'all. My heart is freaking racing right now. This is why I don't scalp anymore, because it's freaking stressful. My hands is sweaty. I feel like I'm a freaking teenage kid on playing video games right now. Come on, just drop.
Did he go long
just
or
drop.
short? Oh, he's short.
Come on, just drop. Come on. It's there. I see it, but I need it. Commission! I ain't gonna lie. I don't even know. I just said commission. What I meant by commission is I didn't want to get out at directly 10,000 because, you know, it takes commission out when you're exiting a trade.
I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't gonna lie to you, man. We had 2 break-evens.
For my strategy,
he
been getting in a little too early.
Josiah's trading style is being cool and collected with his
But
emotions.
hey, it worked for him as long as you make some money.
Let it rip while wearing his emotions on his sleeve.
My boy TJ.
This clip, the
Come on,
NASDAQ
TJ.
and the S&P 500.
Yo guys, I just want to get on here super
Y'all
quick
quit playing. My boy TJ get about 40K a day.
The Wi-Fi people are still nowhere to be found. But I just entered into this trade. I actually already lost a trade on NASDAQ. I entered short off of this fair value gap getting filled, and then
now I say for TJ trades, I ain't really
trying to take it literally down to these.
I don't know. I think I've seen somebody make one video trying to expose. But I don't think I ever seen nobody say he faking his trade.
That for every dollar he invests, he expects to get back $6.
I just heard
This
people
be
say
by setting up a
he make
stop loss
more
and
money
take
on
profit as
YouTube
per
than
the
he do
desired
trading. That's what I
ratio.
heard. But I don't know how true. We ain't finna. If that what they saying, that what they saying. And shoot, we gotta see some facts.
Asian session lows all the way down here.
We rock with my boy TJ till they show us something else, and even if they show us something else, we still ride with him. He came with the trade war.
Nasty work if we could get that 1 to 9 risk to reward ratio.
He would want to cover his NASDAQ losses with a successful S&P 500 trade. That means a perfect execution of his plan.
We're getting ready to move.
That's good to be on short. It's in a downtrend right now.
I'm not gonna lie, this entry was actually fucking lethal. If I end up getting stopped out though, I might jump off a building. All right, we have potential
it's coming back
and cliff jumping opportunities right now. So we're coming into this 5-minute order cock and into this 5-minute breaker. That's like the one thing that's protecting my sanity currently. Okay, never mind. I'm going to jump off of a bridge.
Oh, so see, this part right here would have had me nervous.
Hey Siri, where's the nearest bridge near me?
And he is greeted by a rising price as soon as he enters. A far cry from all the lows he wanted to hit earlier. But it's not over yet, which resulted in a wild reaction.
We never doubted it, boys! We ain't never doubted it! You wanna know how a YN get in a banger like this?
Dang.
Bang, bang, bang! Least emotional trader.
That boy went crazy.
1 to 9! Oh, daddy, how'd you hit it?
What went so right that he's madly
We
celebrating?
can't defend that. We can't defend that, bro.
We entered right when this cost of pubic hair right into this fair value gap. I entered stop loss at the top of this 1-minute fair value gap, and on top of that, I saw that we had that 5-minute order block protecting us. What do we see following that? Okay, jump scare, almost jumped off a bridge, but no. Boom, we continue bearish order flow, and then really the rest is history. We took out these 15-minute lows. Now keep in mind, I posted the screenshot to my Instagram story. Okay.
As he said, after that initial hiccup where he wanted to jump off a bridge, the market continued to follow his predictions, the price falling down, breaking all the previous lows. Ironically, the reason for his amazing $55,000 profit is something unexpected.
And on top of that, shout out to my construction guy. He can use whatever metals he wants to construct that gate, because he was the reason why I didn't take partial profits here, why I didn't take partial profits here, why I didn't take partial profits here, and why I was only able to open my trade locker when price hit my full take freaking profit.
Alright, y'all, we gonna end it right there. We gonna end it right there, bro. I don't know how I feel about this video, bro. I don't know, bro. We gotta fact check a couple of these trades, bro. I mean, they looked good on screen though. It looked good. I just need to see. I need to see them state. I got to hit the bank account some, bro. I gotta see some, bro. But yeah, y'all comment down below what y'all think about the video. If y'all like this video, and if y'all want me to react to some more videos like this by Jay Schrader, I don't know how you say his name. But y'all comment down below if y'all want to see some more videos like that. I'm gonna try to find another positive video with some more profits. You know, some maybe not 0.001% trade, but just some good trades, some actually good solid trades, man. So we can, like we said, we gotta bring some positivity coming in 2026, bro. Gotta come start off the year right. We can't just have all negative videos. So, but yeah, man, like I said, make sure y'all like the video, comment down below, subscribe, do whatever, man. Say what up to your boy Keith if you want to, you know. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end it right here. Y'all have a good one. Your boy Keith is out. Peace. Now, everybody on stream, we still there. Y'all seeing me still. Let's see if we still on stream, because I'm about to go to another video. We might get one more in before New Year. Let me see. I think I had one more I want to watch. Give me a second. Give me a second. History. No, not history. I'm supposed to go to playlists. Dang, we might not have another one, y'all. Thought we had another one. Dang, we might not have another one. Let's go to. Go ahead and see we see something we want to react to. We ain't got no one got here stream, y'all. Sorry. Let's go over here. Let's see. Now I could have looked on the side, probably, huh? No, I probably should did. What kind of videos they recommend me? What did they say? Read to blow up my. Oh heck no! Oh, road to blow up my boy. You know what that said? Well, I don't see nothing. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Go back. Look on the side.
From
See if you seen
unbelievable
something.
profits.
On the side with the. Oh, I know what I can react to. It was a dang. It need to be in my. Hold up. Let me see, y'all. It should be in my watch history or something. Watch later. Cause it was like the one of the world's best top scalpers or something. It was. Let me see. I know I had to save that mud. Don't tell me I didn't save it. Let me see. I know I had to save it. Scroll down. It was like day trading competition or something. How to day trade while full time working, all that ain't it. Bro, it was like a trader competition type. I thought I saved that mud. Let me go to like videos. No, I had to say that mud. Man, I thought I saved that mud, bro. Let me try to search it. It was like, what it was like, it said something about like, I'm just gonna put trader competition shit. Hold up, I think I see it right here, y'all. Let me see, that's it. Hopefully, oh, is it gonna play it on y'all side? It wasn't a Trader World Cup. I don't think it was that. It was like their trading kind of championship. Heck no, not crypto. We was trying to do futures. What is this? Pro trader versus amateur head to head. Ooh, do we want to watch that? No, I don't watch pro trader. I want to see. Oh, is this the video? The world, boy, 3 hours long. I see the video, y'all, but it's 3 hours long though. Well, ain't no way we finna react to that whole thing. Hold up, bro. Hold up. Let me get. Ain't no way, bro. 3 hours long. Let me get my recording started.
Now we gotta go help people customize.
I ain't get the recording started, bro. Ain't no way that much 3 hours long though, bro. Who the heck about this? We are not finna sit and watch no 3 hour long. Ain't no way. Ain't no way we watch no 3 hour long. I want to react to it, but ain't no way we finna. Ain't no way we finna watch no 3 hour long video. Ain't no way, bro. I ain't knowing all that. 3 hours 30 minutes? Heck no. I do want to react to it, but they need to chop it up. Come on, man. Let's see. What they doing?
This guy is the best.
Yeah, we just gonna have to we're gonna fast forward through. We gonna drop this down to try to do 30 minutes. I ain't even do no 3 hours. I'm sorry, bro. Let me see. We got our recording start. Oh, we got the record. We got to start recording start. So, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another reaction video. Today we finna be checking out what is it? Let me see. Trading live with the #1 scalper in the world, extreme accuracy. I don't know the dude's name. They ain't even put his name in the title. Y'all might know who it is. If y'all know who it is, comment down below. If y'all seen videos of him before, but it says a 3 hour long video. I'm gonna tell y'all now. We ain't in through the 3 hours. We just want to see who he is, which type of strategy he doing. Watch a couple trade. That's it, bro. That's it. So we kind of trying to pick up, bro. He the best scalper in the world. We trying to see. We might can add some of it to our repertoire or something, bro. So yeah, before we gonna get into it, y'all know hit the like, share, and comment down below and subscribe. You know, if you ain't subscribed, subscribe also. But comment down below any videos, reactions, whatever y'all want to see dealing with trading at least. Comment down below. Be like, hey Keith, check this out. Hey Keith, we want to see these type videos, you know? But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and jump into it because it's already 3 hours long. So let's get to it, bro.
Scalper in the world for the first time ever, where he showcases the
And
power
what he's
of his
scalping in?
strategy
Is it
and breaks it down step by step.
It's Fremont. You wait
Is
for
it
this
futures?
candle, you put the stop loss here, you target either. This is the main reason why a lot of traders lose money.
He do that. What you? Oh, I don't need to be
what the
pausing
market
it.
is
What you
doing
call that
before the
thing?
market does it. People call this manipulation. They try to break out and they fail.
Dang, I just watched somebody do a video with them little bubbles.
See a trader break down candle
I
by
forgot what it's
candle
called.
exactly what he thinks is going to happen live during New York session.
We are getting ready for the squeeze. The squeeze will be present here. Look.
There you have it.
When I told you I will scale out, it's exactly because when you see this, the next step is aggressive sellers.
You coded the algorithm. This is a top 1% trader showcasing his strategy for
Algorithm. They would call algorithm or something. I don't know. Algorithm trading. I think that was called. Yeah, when you got them big old circles and all that.
The most aggressive one. That is what I do. The setup that we took before is exactly what I will execute in the World Trading Cup. How I did this performance in the World Trading Cup is building profit for the day, building profit for the day, building profit for the day, and in directional days I risk, for example,
Fabio Valentini. You've never seen anything like it. It will blow you away. Make sure you tune in to this episode of Chart Fanatics. Welcome
My boy
back to
Fabio.
Chart Fanatics, the go-to channel for all of the very best trading strategies and concept breakdowns.
Come on, we ain't got time to play
traders
now.
in the world. Talking of which, today we have a world-class scalper.
How you speed it up?
A future scalper at that. He has been in the top 3 in the world rankings of the Robbins Club, actually achieving in a 12-month period over 500% return, and that is in the futures division as well. You probably already know who it is.
Ooh, my boy going crazy in the futures too.
That he used to be able to achieve those incredible results on the
My boy Fabio.
Thank you for asking me, Ritz. And today we will go deep dive in the model that I used in the World Trading Champion. I made some videos about it, but I keep the source for this podcast. And before starting to explain how the model works, we need to explain what's the misconception about market structure in the market. So I will just start doing it and explain what 90% of traders do and why 90% of traders lose money. So let's start with the concept of the market structure.
Put it on game. Hold on. We might gotta write it down, bro. You gotta slow it down. A little bit. We gotta slow it down just a tad bit. Hold up. What he said? Session 1, playbook and concept. Come on.
Actually, a lot of traders do, and you can confirm it. This is what usually it's done. Watching a market structure shift or change of character or breakout, there are 100 terms that you can use for it. And what they try to do is they try to go trend following when pattern like this presents, and then they can just wait for the retracement to jump in, just going through, considering we are in a short.
Dang, he break. That's what I do. I wait on that market strategy shift, get that retracement, then I'm ready to get in.
Sentiment here, like using the concept of supply.
If he get in where I want to get in,
to be more fancy following the algo. Mitigation level and continue to go down. Now, what I tested in a lot of years of experience is that this pattern usually doesn't work if you don't frame it in the correct concept. And to frame it in the correct concept, you need to start using something that is necessary, that is the profile. So you need to understand exactly where you are in the market and what's the big picture that you are watching. Because if this pattern is presented when the bell curve of the distribution of the day is like this, you are exactly jumping on a trend to go against the lower distribution of the volume. And what this says statistically is that only 30% will go through, the rest will remain in what is called the fair value area. So you will just keep getting stopped out till the market really decide to take off. And this is the reason a lot of traders that try to embark on a journey of using trend following strategies, they understand really soon that the win rate is not what they were expecting, like 70, 80%. When they try to target, for example, this level from here and they say, okay, I will just have 50%, 60% win rate, 1, 2, 3. This is not real because you are not reading what the market is saying. You are trying to predict the market.
Okay.
Now, the good point about order flow and about volume analysis in general is that you get the knowledge to understand when to stay away, because if the same pattern is presented in this area, it's a completely different situation. To explain you this, we need to go to AMT. AMT is the real nature of the market, and is the concept of auction market theory.
Boy, you
market
wrote
is an
down?
auction, and it goes from balanced area where all market participants are transactioning efficiently to imbalance. Now, market is not usually in imbalance. It's usually in balance. So that's the reason why traders that start
Man, we got to speed him up.
strict stop loss, because they try to get the long and they get liquidated by, you can call what you want. You can call spring, you can call liquidation, you can call liquidity seeking, everything you want, even if it's not what happens behind the curtains. But you try to get the last spring before the move up. And you notice that this 1 to 10 becomes a 1 to 2 because you take 4 stops to try to do it. Now, if you do this simple change and you wait for the market to get to a condition of out of balance, your win rate will jump up by at least 20 to 30%. And this is exactly
Okay,
the
he's saying
point of the model that we use.
okay,
Now
I
let's go
get
to
it, I'm
the
getting it.
strategy.
He's saying
Because the concept of strategy
wait till you
is a
get
group
out
of
of
rules that you need to follow strictly.
you gotta get
and
an
how can you follow
imbalance.
a group of rules strictly without understanding the narrative
I
if
got him.
the market is a dynamic entity? It's like trying to cage an animal that is not made to be in a cage. And it changes every day, it adapts. For example, yesterday, there was this situation about America bombing Iran. We open with a
Come
gap
on, bro. We
down
ain't trying to
really
hear all
heavy.
that.
You cannot expect that the market today will behave as Friday. You will have a different behavior. Now, what it's helping you is understanding how you can use the profile to exactly time your entry and your area. So this is the step 1 of the model, and is understanding the location. The location is when you can efficiently trade. When you are out of balance, so your model is okay to be traded, you start to see what all the traders are using. So you start to see the market structure, and you start to validate which area can be used to jump on trade. Okay. So now it comes
Man, he
handy
doing
to
all
use
this
supply and
talking. Come
demand
on, bro.
zones, and it comes handy to
How he
understand
made the money?
inefficiency.
How he made the money, bro? And that one in mud 3 hours long.
Work management platforms.
But we done been about 8 minutes in. He ain't
Inefficiency, if
said
you
nothing.
can talk about it, is misconcepted nowadays because it's used the
That
term
man
fair value gap.
gatekeep.
But what's happened really behind the curtains in the concept of inefficiency is when one part is more aggressive than the other, so the market gets really momentum in one direction. And this is, if you think about it, is the best moment to transact, because the market is telling you this, and this is not my personal opinion or your personal
Man,
opinion.
come on,
What the
hurry
market is
up,
telling you
talk,
is, look,
bro.
I'm out of balance. I'm searching for a new level of balance that will be down, so it can be here, it can be here, it can be here. But I'm telling you that I will go there. Okay. At the same time, it's telling you that the sellers are more aggressive than buyers because you are getting this kind of concept. And that's when you go to step 2. Step 2 is the concept of validating
What was step 1?
the level. Because now you have the direction, you have the
Oh,
condition
get
of
an
the market
imbalance.
status, and you have 3 possible take profits that you can frame by watching at the other area. Now it comes handy a concept called order flow that is not a concept, but is like an alphabet, a new way of reading the market. So 90% of the traders try to understand what is happening inside a candle using multi-time frame analysis. I think the real inefficiency is the way traders analyze the market. Because it's like trying to get the bullseye blinded. It is
Man,
doing
man,
something
all
really
the time.
similar to what
Come
I'm
on.
doing, because low volume node, it's a really good reaction level. So you can use it as a continuation. If we have a low volume node here, the probability that we will go down is
I don't know
really
what
high.
I skipped.
So you start to add the concept of refinement. You have the direction, you have the location, you have the refinement of the location. Now you need the step 3. The step 3, it's a little bit...
Hold on. What he was saying? I don't even know. He was tongue down, bro.
more
We
difficult
might need to go
because it's
back.
a part
Hold
where
on.
you reach from point A
Let's
using
see.
multi-time frame analysis. I think the real inefficiency is the way trader
Come
analyzes.
on, bro.
Because
Hurry
it's like
up.
trying to get the bullseye blinded. Like maybe one time it will work, 2 times it will
We
work, but
might
you don't know
click
exactly
on
what our
where
location is.
video
What you can do
react
is
to.
that you can
That
use
man
this area
just talk.
that create the breakout. And let's consider that I make an arrow here, and we zoom out what is happening exactly inside here. Okay, so if this is the swing point that break this law, traders will just watch for what is called fair value gap or inefficiency. That is when the candle is not transaction efficient. What you can do is that you can use from point A to point B using profile to watch exactly when there are low volume nodes.
Yes.
And I know this
Low
because I
volume
saw the
nodes.
other interview that you have made, and I really like the model also of Carmine Rosato. I think he's a really good order flow trader, and he's doing something really similar to what am I doing, because low volume node, it's a really good reaction level. So you can use it as a continuation. If we have a low volume node here, the probability that we will go down is really high.
Yeah.
So you start to add the concept
So
of
what's low volume
refinement.
node? What that mean?
You have the direction, you have the location,
Man,
you
he
have
got
the
the
refinement of the
gatekeeper, bro.
location.
Come
Now we need
on,
the step
bro.
3.
He ain't even tell us what no volume
The step
node
3 it's
is.
a little bit more difficult because it's the part where you really need experience and you cannot just automate it and say, okay, when it's happening, because
I
it's
know what he
really
talking about.
sensitive to market. What I use is analyzing big orders. So when there is in one specific point, let's say here, a lot of aggression. Okay, and in order flow platform, typically you see bubbles.
Yeah.
Okay, if you use any platform, you can see bubbles. When there is
That's the
direction,
algo thing.
location, and aggression, your ability to predict is 0, but your ability to read is 100. You are exactly tuning in the market at the correct moment, and you are not predicting what is going to do. You are waiting. So this is really beneficial because when you see aggression, you don't have a huge stop loss, for example, out of balance. You don't have a huge stop loss above the high, but you can get protected exactly above the big sell aggression.
Yeah.
So your risk to reward rate, it's really big, but at the same time, the probability of your trades is really, really big also, this one. What you are doing, if we can make an example, is just swimming on the direction of the flow.
Yeah.
Because you are being pulled down by the market aggression and also by all the traders that were long. And when this area breaks, will close their position. So you get the catalyst one, you
Okay,
get
I
the
get it.
location of the aggression of the sell, and you get also the target point.
So he's
that
saying like, boom, say the market want to go down and it's aggressive. He's saying, so I gotta break it up for that, cause he too smart. But Fabio, I'm sorry, my boy, you guys dumb it down. But he's saying when that market just like, say market just in the imbalance, it just break hard one direction, right? Boom. Once it break one hard direction, he's saying like you you kind of get you gonna be able to catch them real big trades and everything by getting in when that low volume node area at, because he's saying basically that's where like everybody who was trying to go long or whatever, they get out their positions. So at that point, you ain't got nobody going long against you. You got the overall market saying, hey, we want to go down. So you just following the, you know what I'm saying? You following, riding the wave, riding the momentum to the downside. So you're going to get real big trades, you know what I'm saying? Like them 1 to 9, 1 to 16 trades. That's what he basically saying. You ain't got nothing giving you resistance or whatever, to keep you from going all the way down if we was in short.
Be based, we will see this on chart directly,
I get what
on
you're
the
saying,
previous
a little
balance
bit.
area. Yeah. Because how the market moves. Let's remove this part here.
Come on,
But how the
hurry up,
market
hurry
moves
up,
is
hurry
that
up.
is seeking balance. So if you go out of here and the previous balance area was this one, where your POC, point of control, the previous point where the majority of the volume was located is here, the probability that when you go this pattern and you enter here, let's say, you don't need to break your mind to understand where you can put your targets. Maybe I can try 1 to 30.
Dang, hold up. GLT strategy might be on to some. That's how we kind of do it, bro. Hold up. I'm down here. I'm trading like Fabio, top 3%. Wait, bro, y'all need to tune in. Y'all need to tune in. I already been telling folks that, bro. Ooh, that's how you know where the market trying to go to, bro.
This is
Come
another
on.
error. Traders think that the
Quit
risk to reward
playing.
is not influencing win rate. The more you seek to go above the ATR daily, the more the probability will get lower.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this episode so far.
So now I don't
And
look at
forget,
ATR
we
though. I
send
don't look at
every
ATR.
single strategy breakdown from.
Come on, we ain't
but
listening
also-
to this.
Volume is model is aggression and a target point. The target point also
Let me
is
see
really
how long we
objective.
been
And
recording.
I
I don't
noticed
want to make
during
it too
this
long,
year and
y'all.
also scalping during the World Cup champion that we can also get a window
What the word
during
I
the
done
day
clicked on?
where this model works really good.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know how
So
long we
the
been
best
recording.
session to use this model is 100% New York session, specifically for equities, so for Nasdaq and for
Come on, what you
yes,
talking about, my boy?
and is not working properly during the first hour of London session. I try to use this model, and during London session, you see out of balance, back inside balance, out of balance, back inside balance. This is called
They
by
said
traders
for hour
freakouts,
don't work.
and it's usually when the market is not really clear about direction. So one concept that I use to remove this is that I don't trade before New York session.
Yeah.
I only trade before New York session in the World Cup, but with a mean reverting model.
Okay.
So I was doing the opposite, and we can go also through it because it's
Man, we
extremely
want to hear the other
profitable,
model. We
and
just
it's
want the New York
even
session
easier
model.
to implement this one, and is the following one.
Come on, bro. Ain't nobody training no London.
So let's say that in a balanced market, from the statistical perspective, during the London session, usually in indices, you have mean reverting behavior. Okay, so it's less common that you will see a trend. Yeah,
We're gonna fast forward through this one because I ain't trading during this time. I won't trade during New York.
Is the one that takes opportunity of when the market is deep discount based on the volume distribution and snaps back in. Now, it's the same concept, it's the opposite. Now, we are seeking for buy. We have a target. Why we are using this target? Because this target is where the maximum volume is transacted. So there is interest. Like market operators are willing to transact here. What I do in this area is that I don't take the first movement. I wait for the first breakout. You can use price action for this because I get clear market participants of what they want to do. I don't risk that this is only a retracement and then the collapse.
Exactly.
I get a movement that is clear. When I get the first breakout and I'm back inside the balance, this probability is really high. It's really high probability. Now, to increase even more the probability, I wait for the hand of the big market participants. So I wait for big trades.
Yeah.
So the common bubble of buy order that I can just say, okay, I jump in with them. I don't need to be a wizard. I jump in when the best one are jumping in with big volume. And if I'm wrong, I want to be wrong immediately.
Okay. Yeah.
Because all the additional losing that you get when you're an inexperienced trader and say, maybe I put the stop
Bruh. Y'all, this is crazy. I ain't gonna lie, it's like he explaining my strategy. Come on, bro. Don't tell me I'm trading like Fabio, bro. Don't tell me like I'm trading like Fabio, bro. Yeah, no lie, y'all go back and go watch. What date was it? Like December 26th, something like that. Go to live streams I got and go to the stream I got that says GFT strategy. And when you watch my video, y'all gonna see right where he said it's like the best property. That's literally what I told y'all. That's the A+ entry right there.
You're quite aggressive with your risk management.
I'm aggressive with my risk management because I need to put in this
That junk crazy.
0.25% of my
And look, see, we trading like Fabio already. I'll complain.
But of course, the order flow just allows you to have more
Or
confidence in
Fabio trading like he might sing GLT strategy. Actually,
something that when you see it, you cannot
that probably would happen.
So when you are trading, your mind as an order flow trader says, okay, price action is nice, but let's see what is happening in the level. You want to see it. And then I think it's not convenient nowadays to not use order flow for one simple reason. We are edge seekers as traders.
Man, anybody hearing all that talking, Fabio? Come on, man.
But
3 hours.
The same concepts are. There's really good examples of showing that.
CD, that is cumulative volume delta. What cumulative volume delta is giving you is a benchmark for pressure of volume. So you
we ain't got. Yeah, you know what? Come on now, what Fabio? Let me see. We're gonna give you that.
The price action, it's harder to replicate for students because let's say
after this we're gonna skip and watch them trade live because I ain't got time for all that.
Use a break of structure in favor
Fabio.
For someone, a break of structure is this. For someone, can be external break of structure. For someone, they take the big swing and is this the break of structure. Okay. If I say to you, look, drop for the full day the profile is this one. This is the level where you are out of balance. It cannot be this, it cannot be this, it cannot be this. If I say to you, Ritz, when you go here, just put a filter of 30 contracts on Nasdaq on the 1 minute. You cannot think it's here because you will see the ball. So it's really objective. Now, there is a skill in reading, of course, market sentiment, market change. But when I explain you something, it's something that you can go home, test it, and you will see exactly what I'm seeing. With price action, I think the subjective analysis is really heavy, especially if you start to input multi-time frame. So
definitely,
from daily to H4 to H1 to 15 minutes.
Y'all quit playing. Make sure y'all like the video, but we coming hard 2026. We learning from Fabio. Top 3 in the world, bro.
For example, when there is no order flow, that subjectiveness becomes quite a difficulty because everyone has a different perception. As you said, really
whoever you here talking, we ain't trying to hear this.
Regardless of that, the time frame potentially.
We just letting my boy Fabio. Come on, bro.
And those numbers are going to be reflected exactly the same across the board to every single person. Well, even the subjectiveness of say just candlesticks, like a large red candle to one person might be massive.
Bro, we ain't trying to hear this, bro. Come on now.
When they explain the model, when you see a big candle,
I'm sorry, dog.
How much ATR you include. So there is a lot of subjectivity, and also let's consider that we have 3 levels of analysis. We have lagging, we have real time, and we are leading. Lagging are indicators. So if you get
those
MACD,
indicators.
if you get stochastic, if you get RSI, this is created as a derivative of price. So you get MACD that is always going after price, never anticipating.
Yeah.
Price is real time. So you are watching what is happening as an effect in real
That's
time.
why I don't
But with
really use
volume,
indicators,
you
y'all.
are watching the narrative before the
My
price break it. I give
personally,
you an example
indicators
of
work,
something that I never explained.
but they
Okay?
behind though.
And this is something that really helped me to see the developing pressure to be able to put at break even sooner than other people. Okay, so let's say that we are here, we have a long bias, we are out of balance, and we have the previous day point of control. Okay, so with price action, when can we put at break even? When we break this level.
Yeah,
you agree with me? Yes, because we have a level of protection that we can put here, and we say, okay, it will retest and go.
Yeah, we shouldn't break that low,
with
right?
volume, we can use
Yeah.
one tool that is called
Bro, that man,
CVD,
I ain't gonna
which is
lie. Fabio
cumulative
must
volume
be
delta.
watching GLT strategy, bro. I ain't gotta be, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no. I mean, he got the algo with it. We don't do no algo, but, bro, he literally, it like he damn.
Delta. What cumulative
Bro, what
volume
the heck?
delta
He
is
created
giving you
GLT with
is a
me?
benchmark for pressure of volume. So you are out of balance, so the probability you will find a new point of balance is high. With cumulative volume delta, you see this is the price. Maybe you see the cumulative volume delta doing this. When you are here, the cumulative volume delta is doing this. What does it mean? That aggressive buyers are really pushing on the gas, and there is a lot of interest because as the price goes up, you don't see sellers aggressive, but you see that buyers are willing to buy at
I don't
higher
know what
price. And if we are at an
CUD
auction
is.
and there is a limited piece of Mustang from 1969, okay, and the base auction is 1 million, and you see buyers starting 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, it means that the price is probably going up because they are interested in the piece. So what you can do when you see that cumulative volume delta is pushing up and you see this leg already built, is that you can already put to break even.
Yeah.
Because you know that as the smallest retracement, aggressive buyers will continue to push up and you are protected.
Yeah.
This is something that you can do only with leading indicators. You cannot do before. Of course, I didn't talk about global macro, but also global macro, it's a leading indicator, or on-chain analysis for crypto. But for intraday and scalping, like order flow is the benchmark to go.
Let's take a break for a minute there, guys, because I want to tell you
Man,
about
I want to
the
talk
best
to you,
CFD
boy.
prop firm in the entire industry.
That's a play. Come on.
You'll see the same thing. If, let's say, even when there are buyers who
The only reason we watching this, but bro, he slick till I like it following my strategy, so I kind of like it. You know,
using,
make you
really
feel
what we do.
good.
We're
The
not
top
jumping
trader in
about
the
to hit this
world,
strategy
trading
while
like
finding
you,
better.
kind
We
of. He
also have
just got
the
the
mindset is,
algo
right?
with
So
it.
what
That's
if we
all.
come across month after month, week after week, and it's probably not going to
edge in the
I
change
mean,
of
we
market
heading in the right
conditions. What
direction,
also
bro.
Jim Simmons was talking about with his
All
renaissance.
right, come on, that's
You
about
take the
it.
same candle.
Dang,
Okay,
Fabio,
because
how
what
much
you are
you
watching
teaching
is
us,
the
bro?
trading
Come
flow of
on,
the
we trying
market.
to see the live
So you are
trading,
not
bro.
framing the market
We
on
30 minutes
something that
in.
is close rule from A to B, but you are understanding what's happening. And I will give you an example of something that improved my model by 4 or 5% in win rate. That it's a lot if you are a scalper. And this is the following one. Before, if you are like closing a range, you are trading price action and you are trading continuation. With break retest model is really common. Okay, so you wait for this and then you wait for the wick down, and on the test you go long. When if you start to do one simple exercise and you start to only use order flow to zoom out when this is happening, like you take one specific part, so you cannot say that order flow is complex. You take the same candle just to make an exercise. Watch cumulative volume delta here and orders. You can use also footprint for this. If you see that at this level there is a lot of aggression and the cumulative volume delta is doing here, it means that this movement is not supported and the probability that you will go down is here, and it's something that is telling you before the price brings you to stop. So you can just decide not to jump in. And this is a concept that I want to cover because it's something that I went through when the price action model was
Dang,
not
he
working
might
properly.
hold up now. We might have to use cumulative delta, whatever that thing he talking about. Cause that might help us. Oh, I mean, I don't know. I don't know if I really need it. We gonna see. We might test it out. We might do a stream on our back testing stream and test it out. What he talking about? Cause literally where he entering it, that's where I told y'all. Like if y'all watch, like I said, of course I hate replugging my own video, but that's literally why I said the A+ entry at is number 4. If you're doing that 5-point drawing tool, number 4 is the A+ entry. Number 3, when the number 3 crosses number 1, that's your B+ entry. That's like an early entry.
And I get to step up the game, and I was thinking, no, I need to study from zero, and I need to implement something that will cancel and erase all the learning curve that I had with price action. But it's not like this. Just you will start from where you are before, just understanding what's happening behind the market. Of course, it's easier to think that the market is dominated by some black entity behind the table, because understanding the mechanic is difficult. But I can guarantee you that you will improve as a trader. And so we go now on the summary of the two models, and we start with the trend model. So this model is a trend following the model, and we will go before on the timing. That is in your section. Okay, so we want the biggest amount of volatility to the market.
Fast forward.
When you see a big red ball, you can jump in, and your stop loss will go here.
Yeah, I ain't watching all that. What the heck is all this, bro? Come on, bro. We ain't got time for all that. Let's see him do it live. Look, we done learning on the blackboard. Let's go see him live. I mean whiteboard.
But sometimes you see something that is not there just because you want to trade, so you create the setup.
Well, you can have a bias, and then if let's say one time frame isn't giving you that bias, you can just filter through until you find one. Like out 10 time frames, let's say 8.
Sometimes you get some 1 to 30 1.
Man, what the live? Okay, here we go.
And what do we have in front of us here?
So this is a order flow platform, is a deep chart, and what we have here is volume profile, distribution profile of specific consolidation area. So what I was explaining to you before is that you can make it stupid simple, putting just daily profile. You can do this also from TradingView. Maybe the volume will not be as precise as this, or you can just do it identifying the most interesting compression area. As you can see here, they are clearly visible, where the market didn't transact higher or lower, it just stayed in compression. I use every day this area, and what I wanted to show you before is exactly this. You see, here is the volume. Okay? This is the volume. This is how much volume is transacted per price level. This blue line is the value area. So every time you see the model in consolidation, when it gets back, get back in, target.
Same on the
upside. Get back in, target. Up, get back in, target. Down, get back in, target. This one will be stop loss. But you have the second model. You have the execution model of this. In this consolidation, we need also to be honest that you don't identify it immediately. You can identify maybe it from here. You can take these 2 trades. This one is really uncommon because you see the real compression. Yeah, it's too early. Exactly. Now, what is interesting is that you can frame also the delta. What is the delta? The major amount of volume getting transacted from one side on one price level, the aggression. And if you see here, look how much is big the delta. It's exactly at the level where they accumulate the last time and created this extreme breakout. Okay? This one here, I will also explain you later why the news catalyst is something where a lot of people think that the market is seeking liquidity, but at the moment, this movement is made because market maker go out of the market, so the volatility gets higher because you have less limit orders, and in this case, the market explode up to create a new level of balance.
Do you want insights into larger player activities? The big players are the whales of the market, and it's
come on, bro.
So in this case, we have reversion model, reversion model, reversion model, reversion model, and stop. Here, probably. Aggressive model, here, breakout, and we will go deep dive in the lower time frame because now we are in 5 minutes. Then we will drop down to 1 minute. This model can be used in every
man. I thought we finna watch that man
to give
trade.
The audience a little bit of reference. You can either do 15 minutes, 2 minutes. You can do 1 hour, 5 minutes, or you can.
I ain't trying to learn no whole strategy. I just trying to see him scout.
Okay. So 5 minutes is to watch the breakout candle, okay? This one, I don't go deep dive inside it because it's impossible to execute. You see, it went out of balance.
They say this is the most replay right here.
Low liquidity, so it's impossible to take. Then we will go to this.
Nobody trying to learn no strategy.
Quick, so I will take out here. But education-wise, I want the trade to get completed. Either we are stopped out at break-even, either we go to take profit. I don't want to create additional difficulty.
He don't trade like us, y'all. I can't even see the candle. I can't even see the candle. Come on, now.
Profit from whatever it may be. The problem is our mindsets get fixed on that bias then. And that happens to a lot of people. I think a lot of people, let's say coming into the session, as a good example, coming into this session, they did the same market analysis you did, long bias. Price shot down. They switch to short, they take a loss.
Yes.
But then the problem is they don't switch back or recognize their mistake, and they stick on the loss, and they stick on the short, and they keep trying to short all the way.
Oh, so he took a trade. Let's see.
All this buy movement, not
he took a trade.
Yeah. You know, divergence.
This divergence is significant because it means that there is something big here. So scenario. Either it breaks and we take another continuation trades, that is amazing for us. But I know this asset, and I think that we are going to revisit from here, either this low or this low volume node, then we take even better trades.
Yeah.
This is a pattern that I have seen a lot of times. 4 consecutive weeks, every week taking out the high but not creating new value. If there is a big buy trades here, a collapse is soon.
No,
of course, it's not a trade because if these big trades protect and break the high, we have another buy. So we can is set up for playbook. If we
yeah, that's true.
The execution is simple. Then skyrocket up and you are out of your position.
And it moves too fast.
Yes. Now it's again test. You see what I saved?
Does the
no. Did it break the value area high? Yes. Okay. First information. Now the model.
I'm sorry. I thought that man finna glide trade, bro. They done finesse me in the dang video.
Still I expect a week so down. Why?
I mean, he might be live trading. I can't see.
Yes, yeah.
I mean, can't see
the
no
buyers, yes, the
green
sellers
and
compete
red
out
circle, bro. Come
closing this
on, bro.
position, but the reaction of the buyers is not so good. If we start to go above here, the sellers will be forced to close. This can be a catalyst for up, but I would like to see that we reach this low volume node. This is really interesting. Let's see if we manage to get it.
Just so you know, you hold the record for the longest chart for next episode.
Really?
That's right. Probably approaching 4 or 5 hours, I think, by now.
Really? It's a course. It's not a.
Yeah, exactly.
No, I'm saying he about 5 video, bro.
Yeah, that you've never seen before, and yeah,
still okay with it, you know.
Let's see
if it approach the eye and get
he making his bread, but I don't know, bro. I can't trade like that. I can't see the candles.
Can close above.
Man, we in them mud trading circles.
Like if the candle, for example, is closing here, it's still valid, but we need to take other $100 of risk.
Okay.
So we just need a candle that close. At the moment, it's not closing, and every time that you
I'm sorry. Hey, Fabio, my boy, you probably making some bread. It look like inside of all these circles and big dots and stuff, you got GFT strategy in that mud somewhere. You know what I'm saying? But, whew. Maybe because I'm new, man. You know what I'm saying? Maybe because I ain't been trading. He probably been trading for years. You know what I'm saying? So this ain't nothing to him. See these big circles and algos and order flows and all that other stuff. But for me, bro, I just look at the counters. I'm sorry. Hey, I can't say nothing. He made money. Hey, it worked, bro. That's the number one thing when it comes to trading, bro. As long as you make some money, you're straight. You making more than you're losing, you're straight. I don't care how you get to it. You know what I'm saying? If you somebody just straight trend line trade, somebody use algo with the circles, or if you just use GLT strategy, you know what I'm saying? Whatever work for you and you comfortable with it, hey, that's what it is, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this right here. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that, man. My boy Fabio, number one. They say number one scalper, but when they started the video, they say he top 3. So top, I'm gonna say top scalper, one of the top scalpers in the world. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that, man. If y'all want to check out this video and actually learn what he was saying and go through the full thing, go to Chart Fanatics YouTube page, and you should be able to find it. Just type in number one scalper in the world, and y'all can learn his strategy and everything. But for me, it's just it's a pass for me. I like to keep mine a little bit more simpler. But like I said, I'm fairly new to trading. I ain't gonna say fairly new. I'm 2 years. 2 years into it. So I mean, some people call that new. Some people call it you right in a good spot. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, for me, it's just a little bit too much. I can't even see the dang count, bro. Can't even see the count. I was getting him when he was just drawing the charts on the whiteboard, but when he started putting these big circles on the screen, then my boy hit me with some delta. Then he said something about dang the nodes and all that. Oh my god. I didn't need to know red, green, jumping in between. That's all I need to know, bro. That's all I need to know. But yeah, man, we're gonna end it right here. Like we said, like, share, subscribe, comment down below, or say what up to your boy Keith if you like. But your boy Keith is out. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.